If your Chevy Trax infotainment screen goes black when you plug in your iPhone, don't panic. It is rarely a hardware failure. Statistically, 85% of CarPlay black screen issues are caused by faulty cables or simple software communication errors. Let's walk through the exact steps to get your display back online without a trip to the dealership. Start by holding the power and home buttons for 10 seconds to force the MyLink system to reboot completely. Always use an Apple certified cable, as generic wires often lack the data bandwidth required for stable video signal. Go into your iPhone settings and tell it to forget this car, then initiate the pairing process from scratch. If audio still plays while the screen is black, you are likely dealing with a software glitch rather than a broken head unit. Swapping the cable and resetting the infotainment system solves nearly 3/4 of all black screen complaints. If all else fails, perform a cold start by turning off the engine and waiting 5 minutes for the modules to sleep. Keep a spare original equipment cable in your glove box to quickly rule out wire failure in the future. Remember that your Chevy Trax is a computer on wheels, and most issues are just temporary communication errors. If these steps helped you get back on the road, hit subscribe for more Chevy troubleshooting guides.